Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make a super simple Valentine's Day charcuterie board. This board will be good for 2 people, maybe even 3. It's very simple to make, and I'm going to go through all the steps to show you guys how I create all of my charcuterie boards. So if this is what you came here to see, then just keep watching. So I'm just going to start out here with my beautiful wooden board. This was given to me by my best friend. And then I'm going to take the largest pieces that are going to go on there, which are these little containers that have some ruby chocolate covered almonds, some little heart candies, and then of course cinnamon hearts. Then I'm going to take the thing that's the next biggest, which is the licorice, and place that down. And then I'll just continually get smaller and smaller items on the board until a bunch of the space is filled up.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do, when your train is gone?
And now I'm just adding some candy bracelets, and I should mention that everything except for the Pillsbury cookies that I placed before and the chocolate covered almonds came from the dollar store. So this was really cheap to create as well. I probably spent less than $15 to put the whole thing together. And now I'm just adding some foil wrapped hearts, and then I also unwrapped a few of them just to bring out a little bit of the brown from the chocolate covered almonds and from the board. And then I just put them on top of the foil wrapped ones to kind of make it pop. And then at the back here, you can't really see, but I'm adding some Smart Sweets Swedish fish. And the last thing that I'm going to add to the board are the little Conversation Hearts candies. So these are the smallest items, which means they will be really good fillers for the rest of the spaces that you don't really want to see on the board. So I'm just going to fill up as many as I can on here. I picked out only the pink and white ones, and then it will be ready. I really like how this dessert charcuterie board came out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. It is so easy for literally anyone to make this. If I can make it, then you can definitely make it as a beginner. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new around here. You can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shush, and I'll catch up with you next week in a new video. Bye!